Welcome back. An aspiring candidate from Kunkoli, Mario Moraes, has charged Congress of various illegalities. The former secretary to Joki Alemao says that the time has come for people to vote for a candidate and not for the party. He also said that Congress party should not give tickets to corrupt party men.
Minister and MLA together ideology and program believe in Congress party. Temka फक्त 1 point program तो खुश कितवत करपाचे डोनेशन स्पॉन्सरशिप दिवपाची आणि एक पर्सनल वोट बैंक की आता हे असेंब्ली इलेक्शनाक जेन्ना आमी वोटिंगा वयता तेन्ना आमी पार्टी पळोवपाक वता येना पूण आमी कॅन्डिडेट कोण तो पळोवपाक जायो तेगेले बॅकग्राउंड पळोवपाक जायो.
Mario has hit out at Congress party for alleged misuse of public fund, illegal mining, unresolved issues like expansion of Napoli airport and medium of instruction.
Medium of instruction आता 50 वर्ष जाले आता हे लँग्वेज अजूनल्यान इशू लायव्ह आहा 50 years of liberation आमकां जाल्लें खरें पूण अजूनल्यान हो मेन इशू आहा करप्शनाचो हो सुटावो जावना ना आनी हांव हे करप्शनाक मेन ब्लेम करता हे पॉलिटिकल क्लास आहा तेंकां.
He added that if denied a Congress ticket, he would stand on people's ticket.
आनी हे आतां आमची असेंब्ली इलेक्शन आहा ते हे करप्ट आनी डुप्लिकेट काँग्रेस MLAs and मिनिस्टर आहा तेमकां टिकेट दिवपाक म्हणटा तेंगेले सर्विसीस जे रेकॉग्नायज कोना जाल जाल्यार आमकां दूख भोगतलें आमकां कंटेस्ट करपाकूय पडटलें.
This will be the 4th time Mario will apply for a Congress ticket from Kunkoli. A reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dice. Splashdown Water Park is in Goa now. It was inaugurated at Anjuna on Thursday. The investors of this park feel that this would be an exciting activity for tourists visiting the state. Moreover, this is senior citizen friendly park.
The water park was inaugurated by Chief Minister Digambar Kamath. Siolim MLA Dayanand Mandrekar, Sarpanch Sandeep Chimulkar, partner of water park Melroy Pinto and Velancio D'Souza and others were present at the inaugural function. Melroy Pinto says there will be more additions to this water park in coming days. He also informed that senior citizens can avail discount at the park.
It has 5 pools. We have a variety of slides. It caters to all ages. The young, the old. Everyone can have fun here. We even encourage senior citizens to come. We give a senior citizen a discount as well. We have plans for expansion, but we will do that slowly. We don't want you to feel that you've seen it all. There will be new slides coming and new attractions coming.
Our reporter from Anjuna, Shyam Sundar Fatte.
The highly awaited Champions League last 16 draw is now out of two of the most followed Premier League clubs. Arsenal and Chelsea will take on Italian clubs A.C Milan and Napoli in the pre-quarterfinals. Goans are crazy about the European Champions League, and supporters of the Arsenal and Chelsea will be hoping their teams to go all the way in the top club competition of Europe.
And we continue directly with the second one. Which is Napoli, SSC Napoli from Italy.
Chelsea, London.
Chelsea, so Napoli will play Chelsea. A.C Milan. Milan. Playing at home. See?
Arsenal, London.
In the other matchups, defending champions Barcelona will have to face German side Bayer Leverkusen. Real Madrid face CSKA Moscow, while Basel will play Bayern Munich. Inter Milan, who beat Bayern Munich 2-0 to win the competition in 2010, face French side Marseille. Lyon hosts Cypriot side Apoel. The first legs will take place in the second week of February, while the return fixtures are scheduled a fortnight later in March. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.